Good day everybody and welcome to our presentation of the Big Mart dashboard. So our first thing this is our first page right here. It shows some insight into our website. We can see our visitors, we can see our new signups, we can see our checkouts on the top here. On the side we can see the different types of website traffic that we have. So where does the traffic come from? As you can see, we have direct access, we have search engine, we have email access, we have union ads, and we have video ads. Towards the bottom here, you can see how many people abandon carts through specific times of the day, right here. And then over here, being one of our most important things, we can see our network outages, our constantly updating packet loss, and our constantly updating server temperature. So this allows us to make sure that our packet loss never goes over what is going to damage our website, and our server temperature also never goes over whatever is going to damage the server. If you come over here and you have a look, our visitors can be filtered by this month, this year, and today. The same for our new signups and checkouts. If you have a click on the visitors, this will take you to a page where you get more insight on your visitors. So it shows you some demographic data such as age distribution and gender distribution. It shows you the specific traffic data, which has the things which you can see from today, this month, and this year, and our visitors. And then if there's any additional insights, they will be seen here. Coming back to this page, we can also click on a specific part of this donut chart right here, and we can be taken to a page which gives us a deeper insight to each specific website traffic section, such as search engine. It will show us for today, this month, and this year, what is our value, and it will also show you the top 5 searches. So the top 5 searches is showing you exactly what is searched the most in order to find the Big Mart website. And as you can see, we can have this from direct. Direct has similar insights for the direct traffic amounts, but now it shows you the top channels. So the top channels for our direct interaction is calls, SMSs, and MMSs. If we have a look up here, we can see our notifications. This notifications shows us some insights about our specific page on our dashboard. So this one shows us that 13 users abandoned their cart about 30 minutes ago, but it also shows us that 30 minutes ago our network was down for 33 seconds. So this shows us a nice correlation between the two, and it allows us to have valuable insights on it. It also shows us that our new insights has increased from yesterday. Over here, you can have a look at all the notifications. So notifications you have already viewed and recent notifications. So if we come to our next page, our performance page, firstly, you will see a feed count line graph. This feed count line graph allows you to see across each of the 4 weeks of the month, when is the most feed count in our physical stores. And as you can see, week 4 shows us that we have the highest feed count for all of our stores in week 4. Our revenue this month can also be seen by this bar graph right here. And when hovering over a specific store, you can see exactly how much revenue they generated. Down here, you can see a customer word cloud. So at current moment, this customer word cloud is showing you insights on every single comment made by customers, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. However, if you come down here and you have a look at this pie chart, you can see we have negative, we have neutral, and we have positive. If you click on a specific section of the pie chart, it will now update the specific word cloud to show you a negative word cloud, a neutral word cloud, or a positive word cloud right here. This allowing you to go deeper into the insights needed for you to determine what is good and what is bad on your specific stores. Our overall customer satisfaction for all of our stores is shown in a bar graph right here across for the past 5 years. Obviously skipping 2020 because of COVID pandemic, we were closed down most of the time. If we go to the next page is our management page. This page, okay, so this right now is our third page. Our third page is our management, like I said, and it shows our warehouse operations and inventory management. So this allows us to see this specific multiple line graph, a bar graph right here, which shows us our fulfillment rate, our capacity utilization, and our on-time delivery rate for each of our specific warehouses. And as you can see, we can filter it out to see only capacity utilization, fulfillment rate, or on-time delivery and fulfillment rate right here. If you come over here, we can have a look at our inventory levels. Our inventory levels right here are showed at our current inventory levels and our max inventory levels. If you go up here, you can change between our different warehouses and it will show you the exact inventory units and max inventory units in the specific warehouse you have selected. Our alert plan right here, if you see that it says that the alert has not been sent and you know for a specific warehouse or specific product it needs to be sent out, you can click order and it will send you a notification saying that the order has been sent. Over here you can see an area graph on our stock lead time. So this allows us to show the units available and our units sold across for each of the specific products. So the units available can also be filtered out and the units sold can also be filtered out. We can filter this and we can have our graph shown. So units available, you can see for this product we have 400 units available, but you can also see that we have only sold less than 200 units. This allowing you to see some insights on the dashboard. Our next page is our supply chain management. Our supply chain management right here allows you to see a radial graph which shows you the different ratio to fulfillment, the processing time, and the shipment to delivery days. So this allows you to filter by each specific store and it will allow you to show, as you can see, our ratio to fulfillment is less than 1 for store 1, our shipment delivery days is almost 2, and our processing time is 2 days. So store 1 is not necessarily doing too good. However, store 2 is doing much worse when the time is shown. As you can see right here, this is for store 1, this is for store 2. Next is our orders received for each specific store. As you can see right now, it shows us a total. However, when you hover on a specific line, you can see that it now shows you orders for each specific store. We have 4 stores, so that's store 1, store 2, store 3, and store 4. And this now shows us our total. Over here we can see our budget report plan. So this allows you to see your allocated budget versus your actual spending. So your actual spending can also be filtered out. You can see your allocated budget, but you can also filter out your allocated budget and see only your actual spending. Finally, our credit page. This is just our credit page right here to show who has made our dashboard, and we thank you for your time.